Add a new dimension to the world around you. Listen, learn, and find out why.
We love Hakka.
多学一种语言，多开一扇视野。现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hello everyone, it's ICRT's Hakka lesson of the day.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin. It is summertime， 现在是夏天了，对不对？这个 Alice 穿的衣服呢，也可以看得出来是夏天了。然后夏天呢，有一个日子呢，叫做夏至。
哈兹，
哈兹哦，哈兹听起来做够注意呢。哈兹，哈兹，好像是什么声音？
哈兹就一天来嘞。
哦，哈兹就是夏至。
夏天来了。
Okay, you know what that is? That is actually called the summer solstice, and usually it falls during the fifth month of the lunar calendar or June of our regular calendar. 听说就大概是农历5月，或者是国历6月的时候，对不对？哎，农历国历怎么讲
？Q 啦，醒啦。
Q 啦，醒啦。Q 啦就是旧历的农历的意思。哦啊，醒啦，
醒啦，
醒啦就是国历。
滚啦。
怪啦也可以，是不是 ？Okay, so those are the two ways of saying the lunar calendar. The lunar calendar again.
Q 啦
Q 啦 and the regular calendar.
醒啦
醒啦 Okay, and what's interesting about Taiwan is there's something called the Tropic of Cancer. 其实大家可能都有听过北回归线，对不对？哎，这个哈卡怎么说？
北回归线。
北回归线。
哎呀，
啊，这样标准哈。北回归线呢是经过嘉义。
嘉义
Yeah, it goes through Chiayi County. And what's interesting about the Tropic of Cancer is on the day of the summer solstice, there is a tower that is built in Chiayi on the Tropic of Cancer. And on this very day, during noontime, you won't see any shadows from the tower, which means the sun is directly above the tower. And that's why they created the Tropic of Cancer. Anyways, what's also interesting is on this day, the daytime is the longest and the nighttime is the shortest. 听说这一天夏至又有一个蛮有趣的一个现象，就是它是一年中白天最长、黑夜最短的一天，对不对？
逆时条，
逆时条，
白天
哦，白天哦 ，OK，
逆时条
最长 ，OK， 逆时条最长 ，the daytime is the longest，
暗部条最短，
暗部条最短。哦，这以前教过长嘅，短嘅哦，长长的跟短短的。OK， 好，所以白天最长，黑夜最短。再一次，
逆时条最长，暗部条最短。
So there you have it. That's the summer solstice and a few key words about it in Hakka. And I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. I'm Joseph Lin.
什么大家？
俺是谁？张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会独家赞助。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.